Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is, write the methods of productions of seed tubers from true potato seeds under protected cultivation. So first of all, what do you mean by true potato seed? True potato seed offers a viable alternative to conventional seed tubers, especially in the context of high seed cost, pathogen transmission, and transportation difficulties. TPS is genetically diverse, lightweight, disease-free, and can be stored for years without loss of viability. So this is the brief introduction about the true potato seed. Now what are the methods of production? Number 1, raising the seedlings in nursery beds. True potato seed is sown in nursery beds with controlled environment, which ensures better germination, faster seedling growth, and minimizes mortality. Second, seedling tuber production in the nursery. Instead of transplanting, seedlings are grown to maturity within the nursery beds, as it provides uniform growing conditions and protects from climate stress. Number 3, optimal planting density required is 80 to 100 seedlings per meter square. The tubers produced vary from 1 gram to over 40 gram with an average weight of 10 to 15 gram. Now input efficiency, only 6 to 7.5 gram of TPS and 80 meters squares of nursery bed area are required to produce the seedling tubers to plant 1 hectare of potato crop, which is in contrast with 2 to 3 tons of conventional seed tubers needed per hectare. So this is the input efficiency. Now fifth is selection for the seedling vigor. Vigorous seedlings are selected visually before transplanting. So how you will identify the vigorous seedlings? They have a better survival rate, they have high yield, and they have high disease resistance. Then post harvest use, the resulting seed tubers can be stored and used as a high quality planting material for subsequent potato crops or marketed as bare potatoes. So these are the methods of production for TPS. Hence, protected cultivation of TPS seedlings in nursery beds presents a cost effective and efficient method for producing disease free seed tubers. Thank you and keep watching my videos.